Uniswap value equivalent to $11.15 to $25 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $11.0724 $11.1674. The earlier day close $11.2291. The change was plus 19.34, plus 171%. Opposite rate US to Uni. Dollar to Uniswap estimate for August 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.75 coins. Exorbitant costs 75, while lows in 62. The found the middle value of cost 70. The US to Uni estimate toward the month's end 0.66. Change for August 12%. US to Uni expectation for September 2024. In the first place cost at 0.66 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.66, while lows in 53. The found the middle value of cost 61. The US to Uni gauge toward the month's end 57. Change for September 13.6%. Dollar to Uniswap gauge for October 2024. In the first place cost at 0.57 coins. Exorbitant costs 59, while lows in 51. The found the middle value of cost 56. The US to Uni estimate toward the month's ends and 55. Change for October 3.5%. US to Uni expectation for November 2024. To start with cost at 0.55 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.55, while lows in 0.44. The found the middle value of cost 50. The US to Uni estimate toward the month's end 0.47. Change for November 14.5%. Dollar to Uniswap estimate for December 2024. Initially cost at 0.47 coins. Excessive cost 0.47, while lows in 38. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.43. The US to Uni figure toward the month's end 0.41. Change for December 12.8%. US to Uni expectation for January 2025. Initially cost at 0.41 coins. Excessive costs 43, while lows in 38. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.41. The US to Uni figure toward the month's end 0.40. Change for January 2.4%. Dollar to Uniswap gauge for February 2025. In the first place cost at 0.40 coins. Exorbitant costs 42, while lows on 37. The found the middle value of cost 0.40. The US to Uni gauge toward the month's end 0.39. Change for February 2.5%. US to Uni expectation for Walk 2025. In the first place cost at 0.39 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.41, while lows are in 35. The arrived at the midpoint of cost end 38. The US to Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.38. Change for spring 2.6%. Dollar to Uniswap conjecture for April 2025. Before all else cost at 0.38 coins. Excessive costs are in 38, while lows are in 30. The arrived at the midpoint of cost are 35. The US to Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.33. Change for April 13.2%. US to Uni expectation for May 2025. In the first place cost at 0.33 coins. Exorbitant costs are 33, while lows on 29. I found the middle value of cost 32. The US to Uni gauge toward the month's ends and 31. Change for May 6.1%. Dollar to Uniswap estimate for June 2025. To start with cost at 0.31 coins. Exorbitant costs are 33, while lows are 28. The found the middle value of cost 31. The US to Uni estimate toward the month's end 0.30. Change for June 3.2%. US to Uni expectation for July 2025. To start with cost at 0.30 coins. Excessive costs are 32, while lows are 28. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 30. The US to Uni figure toward the month's end 0.30. Change for July's end %. Dollar to Uniswap figure for August 2025. Initially cost at 0.30 coins. Excessive costs 31, while lows are 27. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 29. The US to Uni figure toward the month's end 0.29. Change for August 3.3%. US to Uni expectation for September 2025. In the first place cost at 0.29 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.31, while lows earn 27. The found the middle value of cost 29. The US to Uni gauge toward the month's end 0.29. Change for September 0%. Dollar to Uniswap gauge for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.29 coins. Exorbitant costs earn 29, while lows earn 23. The founder middle value of cost earn 27. The S to Uni gauge toward the month's end 0.25. Change for October 13.8%. Us to Uni expectation for November 2025. Before all else, cost at 0.25 coins. Excessive costs at 31, while lows earn 25. The arrived at the midpoint of cost are 28. The US to Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.29. Change for November 16%. Dollar to Uniswap conjecture for December 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.29 coins. Exorbitant costs are 36, while lows are 29. The found the middle value of cost are 32. The US to Uni estimate toward the month's end 0.34. Change for December 17.2%. US to Uni expectation for January 2026. First and foremost, cost at 0.34 coins. Exorbitant costs are 34, while lows are 29. The founder middle value of cost are 32. The S to Uni estimate toward the month's end 0.32. Change for January 5.9%. Dollar to Uniswap conjecture for February 2026. At the outset, cost at 0.32 coins. Excessive costs in 32, while lows in 28. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 31. The S to Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.30. Change for February 6.3%. Us to Uni expectation for Walk 2026. Before all else, cost at 0.30 coins. Excessive costs earn 38, while lows on 30. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 34. The US to Uni figure toward the month's end 0.36. Change for spring 20%. Dollar to Uniswap figure for April 2026. Before all else, cost at 0.36 coins. Excessive costs 36, while lows on 29. The found the middle value of cost earn 33. The US to Uni estimate toward the month's end 0.31. Change for April 13.9%. US to Uni expectation for May 2026. To start with, cost at 0.31 coins. Exorbitant costs are 38, while lows on 31. The found the middle value of cost on 34. The S to Uni figure toward the month's ends 35. Change for May 12.9%. Dollar to Uniswap conjecture for June 2026. First and foremost, cost at 0.35 coins. Exorbitant costs earn 45, while lows earn 35. The found the middle value of cost earn 39. The US to Uni estimate toward the month's ends are 41. Change for June 17.1%. US to Uni expectation for July 2026. First and foremost, cost at 0.41 coins. Exorbitant